Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Road Hog channel, where you never know what you're gonna find on my channel. So, today I've been busy. First I started out with um getting the bike chain off of my bike, and here it is. So, luckily, when my chain got wrapped around all the spokes, or the spoke on the tire, it only bent up this part of the chain, which obviously right there's a link that I can take off, and I can take that off of there, and the rest of the chain came out just fine. It's not bent or anything. So that's an easy fix. So that's a good thing. Now I'm gonna take you outside. So stay tuned. Little sneak peek at some in the bag. I don't know if I'm gonna take the bag this next time I go or not, but there's my welder, which I'll be getting out here in a little bit. Now let's go out here and see what I've been doing. So there's a sliding glass door screen piece for a slider. My best friend and my neighbor, he gave it to me to tear down. It had a screen in it, just like that window back there, but it was all tight and everything was good on it. So I did the best at what I could with getting the rubber sealant out of it, which I got it all out, but it came out in a few pieces. So he's only going to be using the pieces to fix a couple of small windows that he's got over at his place. So I've got more of it over there. I'm going to be taking that screen off of that window, and then I got a screen right there I'm going to be taking apart, which as far as I can tell, the rubber pieces are good on. And then let's go even further into the outdoors. Man, it's looking like somebody should mow their yard, right? Just coming down the stairs. But yeah, these weeds are getting tall. I should do something about this pretty soon. But anyways, so what I'm planning on doing before I even put the chain back on here is to take some of my teeth are grinding down on the sprocket. I'm gonna have to see these three. They're like, they're 8 up. I'm gonna have to change the sprocket out soon. But anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld a roller back here, and I need to take these off. These are no count right now. I don't ever think they're gonna be a count either, especially with this tire being on the front, since I can just pedal backwards and it'll stop me. But anyways, another roller's gonna go probably in between these two pieces right here, so that I have something solid to weld on. And then the chain's gonna go from the bottom sprocket around, up, over, and back down to the back roller, go around the back roller, and then that way it clears all this right here, and then back on the sprocket. So stay tuned, and you might see me welding here shortly. Teddy bears!
The open road, everyday moments, small towns, and a handful of true
Teddy!
stops.
Hi, baby.
With one co-pilot. Marathon and
Stay. Good boy. I love you, Teddy. So everybody, I went to Ace yesterday and picked a few of these up. I got that one because I don't really know the actual size. And then I got this guy. It's a pressed together one. Then I was going through a tub that I brought down from the other place that had a whole bunch of bike parts in it that somebody gave me. And I found that whole case. So, yeah, I think I got bike links for a while. So, yeah, that's cool. I'm glad I found those. But let me bring you back in a minute. So I got all but my welder out here. So now I'm gonna run and grab my welder. And then I'll be back with you in a minute. So I was just about ready to start welding, but I forgot one crucial thing that I need. So if you can guess what I forgot before I show you, then I'll give you a thumbs up in the comments. Well, it doesn't work without power, but I do have it all set up, ready to go. That's what I forgot. I'll be back with you in a minute. That's much better. I also forgot for this second roller up here in the front, I'm gonna have to remove the tire so I can put a bead on a little bit of a bead of weld on the back side of it so it holds it tight. If not, then it's just gonna slop all around, and we don't want that. So definitely came out the front. So let's see if I can get the screw out real quick. There we go. That's all free. Fixing my bike. started the welder up, and yeah, this piece got clogged on me, so I had to run inside and grab the one off the other one, off the other welder I got. So yeah, let's get back to, that's what it did for me, but it didn't tack it, so let's get it tack welded. Always remember your goggles. I've forgotten a couple of times, and yeah, it's not fun for a few days after. You'll get over it, it'll go past, but it's no fun. They don't look pretty, but it's not coming off of there. Let's get the front side done. Well, it locked it up, so I guess it'll just glide against that one, which is fine with me. And then now, since I already locked it up, might as well. So, guys, now I got to get back here cleaned up a little bit and get that back roller on here. And I know I won't lock that one up because I got a whole metal piece to weld on. So I'll be back with you in a hot second. That's how I'm gonna weld it up, so stay tuned. Alrighty. Well, I think right here, So all I gotta do now is cut this middle off, and then I can fit the chain back on here, and hopefully, I don't know where it's gonna sit exactly, but we'll figure it out and see if I gotta take that one back down and re-weld it or something. I don't know. I think if one of them aligns, I might just get another one like this back one. I might try and find another one because it still spins. I'll be done with it in a hot second though. I think I can shut my welder off though, so I'm gonna do that. I'll be back with you. Well, I gotta open it up a little bit more, but I got the bolts a little too tight still, so I'm gonna loosen them up, and then I'll have the tire back on and no rubbing, so it's good. So let's see when I get the chain on. Well, I got my chain cut, but it's starting to storm here, so I gotta get my grinder and get all the chain parts and take them inside, and I'll finish up the chain inside, and then we just gotta put it on here and hope it's not too short. Well, so this is what I got. This link is way too small for the sprocket. I need one this size. And I went through all of those, and I have these pieces, but no lockers. I don't know where my lockers went. So this video is going to be at a halt for the moment. I hope you enjoyed, and like and share and subscribe and come back for more. And just stay blessed, everybody.